Can't even get it out. Big old buckle, look. It's made of bronze and iron. So yeah, middle part of the 18th century. Incredible, that's over 2,000 years old. Tough. Haven't got to worry too much about filling the holes in very well today because it's going to be cultivated later, in the next week or so. Ooh, musket ball. That's a good start. Quite a big one. Apparently it's going to be topped today, so all this lot will be cut down. But I can work through it because it's actually not that bad. But it's very tough. But we're in Boudica country, not far from a Tudor palace where Mary came in the 1500s. And Firstfield Airfield. Secret Aphrodite mission during the war in the American Navy. A lot of history. Iceni country. So it's a new field, so a new permission. So there'll be a certain amount of you know what? Very heavy ground. This is tough. Not been turned over for a long time. There you go, look at that coin, I think. It's either a coin or a button. Looks more like a coin. That's a button. Looks like a farthing. First button. South facing as well, which is good. And a little stream at the bottom. I can see some crop marks in the field opposite, some ditches and definitely in there. Just got to be careful. It's a bit of a buckle, isn't it? Yeah. A party fact. It's a broken buckle. Copper buckle or brass buckle. Yeah, just by doing a general initial search, we'll just get a mix of spread of histories on here. And there will be some. It's going to be cultivated soon, so we haven't got to worry about too much about holes.
But nonetheless, you're still filling them in.
But still fill them in, yeah. Some of them, Linda might come over and fall over. Or cameraman might fall over. Harness ring, that medieval harness ring. It's a coin, look. It's a Georgian coin, I think. Might be too far wrong. Oh, I can see it. George II. See, it's a little bit wet, look. So yeah, middle part of the 18th century. Halfpenny. Don't think we'll get a date off it. Very faint we see it, but yeah, it's George II. Halfpenny. There's so many signals here. There's an old bonfire at the bottom of someone's garden. Just trying to pick out the coins. Don't know. It's bronze. Don't know, that might actually be quite old. It's made of bronze and iron. To get an ID on that one later. Yeah, the metal looks medieval, but I don't really know on that. See something there, that's a buckle. Something green. Looks like a buckle. Yeah. Buckle minus the pin. Copper alloy. Maybe 17th, 18th century. Stuff keeps popping up. In the sunshine. Hear all the interference. Still picking something up. Oh. Hear the pilot, hear the electric car again. Chattering away. Okay, that's a piece of iron, that's right. Probably got a hole in it. Shouldn't pick that up, it's just got a hole in it. God, I can't even get it out. Big old buckle, that. Probably a horse, part of a horse harness buckle, I should think. Yeah, picked it up because of the hole. I'd say it was horse related. Yeah, it's really upsetting the machine. Give me a headache. You have to excuse me while I go and recover my chrome. Left it down there. Somewhere. So yeah, quite a good day today, Kenninghall. Earlier on, before the cameras arrived, I found a medieval silver penny, which I think is Henry VI or Henry V, which was nice. It's been misstruck on the back. But yeah, it's a lovely little coin. I found this, which is absolutely awesome. This is 1st century BC, so it's Celtic. So before the Roman invasion, which has a Celtic toggle, which is horse or chariot fitting, which is absolutely incredible, which is incredible. That's over 2,000 years old. And found a beautiful bell, which we think is 17th or 18th century. A horse bell, I think, off the bridle fitting, which is in amazing condition. It's intact. It's incredible. It's a very nice silver colour, but unbroken. And a beautiful pewter button. We've got a mystery object here, which I'll clean up and get an ID on that later. We've got a George II halfpenny. We've got another penny here, which has been made into a kind of pendant. It's got scratchings and markings on. We've got a medieval harness ring, a little buckle, a decorated trade weight or some kind of farmer's token with a little lead cross on it, a little strap end, lots of little buttons. So yeah, quite an interesting, promising field. It's very, very hard to dig, very, very compact. And the landowners just turned up with a tractor to try and cut the grass down for us a bit. And then the next couple of weeks he's going to cultivate it, which will hopefully bring up some more finds and make it a lot easier to dig, because I've actually split my boots today trying to dig holes. But yeah, a very productive day. We'll definitely be coming back to Kenninghall.